Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here, girl. What's up? If you're not new here though, you see that I'm in a different setup. It's because I had some things going on over here, stuff and being moving around and whatnot. So yeah, I just didn't want that in the frame, so I moved things around over here. But yeah, y'all see the vibe. So if you want to see how I got this laid, this closure, this 4x4 closure laid and slayed, keep on watching. First thing first that I'm going to do is our bald cap. These braids are 2 months old. As you can see, I have a lot of makeup build up in my braids. All the wig caps that I get them from hair companies. The wig that we are applying today is a 4x4 closure, so we will not be using all the cap for this install. Just putting that in the air. Now that that is done, oh my gosh, look at this little sprout right there. I'm weak. We're gonna be using our Ghost Bond glue in our classic. You know, this is my OG. So I'm gonna be using this. I'm just gonna be using it around here. Because we will be cutting the rest of that cap off. So I'm gonna smooth it out with this stick here. I got these from my local hair store as well. So guess what? We got ourselves a new blow dryer, because if you know, then you know that my blow dryer is so crackheadish, like it is so stupid. So we got a new one. Shout out to my cousin, she got it for me, so her. So I'm gonna do another layer of that. My voice is laying, like for some reason now my voice gets raspy at the nighttime, so sorry if I'm not as upbeat and loud as I usually am. But I'm listening to music out of my AirPods today, because it was either I listen to music and I don't talk, or I don't listen to music and I don't talk. But now solution, AirPods, hello. So yeah, all right, that's great. So I'm gonna cut this off. I'm also listening to Tyler the Creator's new album. I have it on my playlist and it's in shuffle. So I'm gonna take my Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the color RDF15 level 15. This is what it looks like, nice and tinted. So I just ran that over with the hot comb, just the hairline, so it can be pushed back before we adhere this to our skin, which is what we're going to do now. We're going to be using Ghost Bond Classic Glue. We're going to do 3 layers. Now I'm going to melt this down. Just pulling this up. And I'm going to use my blow dryer on high heat, and my comb. Where's my comb? I'm just going to smooth it out, like really melt the glue right into the skin. To further melt down the lace, I'm going to be using my melt belt from Beautiful Hustler, our fave, and I'm going to be, hold on. Yeah, melting this lace into our skin. Okay, so now while this is melting some more, I'm going to get all this flat, because So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hot comb it into sections. So I'm gonna pull this back. Nutrients Luster Slick Stick, cheapest one at the hair store, at mine at Lou. It's not even twisted up. So I'm going to use a little bit of this, right? I'm going to repeatedly do this like in sections to get this to lay more flat. As y'all can see, it is making a difference. It's laying flat. So that made a huge difference. It looks a lot more sleek and flat. So I'm going to repeat the same process to this side. Now that this is done, I'm going to take this off. I'm going to take my cheese spray, the 44 Iron Guard, and spray this. I'm using this extra rich coconut miracle oil Baby's hydrating body oil mist. Now this is body mist, but I do not have any oil, y'all, so I'm gonna take a little bit of that and yeah, press the side out. So I'm also going to be cutting this lace, this hair, this bob into a shorter length bob. So yeah, let's get into it. Oh, sorry, y'all, I forgot to explain what I'm doing. So after I put out the baby hairs, I was vibing out to this music. After I put out the baby hairs, now I am just plucking the hair so it could be a lot more natural, because I noticed like with my closure installs, like I like my baby hairs to look more soft than still dramatic, of course, but just more soft, like more thin in a way. So I'm just pulling out some hairs here. Okay, let's test these out, see if they're thin enough. But first, I'm going to curl them with my flat iron here. Now I'm gonna cut these off, shave these down. Take my Got2b glue gel in black, this little mini bottle right here. Okay, so now that the edges are done, clearly today I did something different, and I like it. Okay, Miss Bob, I have to do the freaking TikTok. What's your name, B.O.B? Because you know I'm for the Bob, 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 Bob. Yeah, that's what it's giving. But, now I'm going to add concealer to the part. I'm going to use the same cream foundation that I used first. And then I'm going to go in with the lighter one. So for the lighter one, I'm going to be using the same brand. I think, no, this is Kiss cream foundation in the color Toffee. Thank you guys so much for watching. 3333. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check the description box for more information on this hair. My information, my TikTok, Instagram, because I'm about to start posting on TikTok. But my TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, and my email if you want to work with me. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Especially a comment. I love to see y'all comment. Makes my day. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye-bye.